Do you have a problem while making a great view of your post in a WordPress? So today I'm here with solution. Just keep watching this video till end to know how to make a great layout of the post in a WordPress. Let's get started. And this is me, Monica Joshi from WP Hope, going to sort out this problem through this YouTube tutorial. Also subscribe to this channel. Now here we go. There are many plugins which enable you to have a great layout of your post. Among them, PostGrid is one of them. So we are going to make a great layout with this plugin. Now let's move for installing it. So first of all, you should be on your dashboard. And so you can see the option of plugin over here. When I hover mouse over it, you can see further 3 more options. So let's click on add new because we want to add a new plugin to our WordPress. So here is the option of the search plugin, and here is also the option of upload plugin. If you have any GIF files of the plugin, then you can upload it and use from there. But initially we didn't have any GIF files, so we are going to search the plugin. So that is our plugin name, PostGrid. So let's see its result. Here you can see several plugins related to it, but we want plugin of this PostGrid. So let's install it. Wait for a moment. So now it is installed and now we can activate it. When it is activated, you can see on your left side there is an option of PostGrid. So let's click on it and let's add a new PostGrid on it. So initially you are on this page where you can design the post grid or the grid view which you want. So here first in the query post we have a post type. Then you can add some post as well as several other medias too which you want to add. Here are several post type which you want to add on your post grid. So let's add the page too. And for here several post taxonomies, there are several categories, tags and formats. If you have any categories related to anything, you can add on it. Just like you might have the category of some blogs, foods and travel, adventures, anything. So you can add on it if you have. Indeed, let's tick on it, and I have some categories. So let me add about it. I have categories on my home. I want to add some adventures too. Okay, that's it. By default, there are several options available too, so let's keep them as it is. Well, on the post status and taxonomy relations, let's keep them as it is. And now let's move to our post query order. Here is the order in which order you want it to display. When I will click on it, here is ascending as well as in descending order. So let's choose ascending order, or you can choose of your choice. And here is a post query order by. It means that in what display you wanted to show, or in what view, or in what manner you wanted to sort it. So I choose date. I wanted to change post date. According to the post date, I want to display my grid views. And so let's moving toward posts per page. How many posts you wanted to show in one page? I think I should show 6 posts in one page. And so everything is fine as by default, and here is at the last you can see when you don't have any post on any pages, then what message you wanted to display, and by default it is shown no post found, and you can write anything as you want. Let me write oops no page found. And so after completion of it, let's move to our layout. So here are several options for creating layout and manage layout. If you already have any layouts, you can manage them, and convert old layout to new layout. If you want to add some new layout on your old one, so you can add it. And the next option is import default layout. Several default layouts are inbuilt in the plugin, so you can add anyone. So let's import some default layout from here. Here are several layouts you can see. Several are free and some are of the pro versions too. For using pro version, you have to pay for them. So let's choose any of the layout which you want to prefer. So let me select the import layout, This layout flat is one good layout, so let me import it. So now it is imported and it is saved. So now let's get back and see it. Here the layout which you selected is here. Now let's click and let's choose it. Now let's move to our grid setting. Grid setting is a very important setting of this grid layout. It will enable you to post how many posts per row. As you can see the several options, you can choose the desktop, tablets and mobile phone posts per row according to your choice. How will your grid will look and how will your website appearance will give, this is very important. So let's choose it. By default there it is 3, 2 and 1. It is good and I think it is right for mine too, so let me keep as it is. Let's move toward item style. When in item style, here you can see the several options too. There are by default it is chosen or ticked, so they are also good. Here is the option for grid item background. You can select the color from here. So let me select this color for the background. Okay, fine. And here is a grid item per margin. This is a margin which you want to keep between the post in the grid. So it is as by default distance, so that's cool. Now the next option is pagination. Let's go to it. And here the maximum number of pagination is 0. Actually pagination means at the bottom of your page you can see the number of pages, 1, 2 and something. There is option like next, previous. So let's select the pagination number as 3. And as it is previous, next, so it's good. And if you can also add the text color too. So let me add the dark black, and you can also add the default background colors. Something the default set is this color, so you can also add according to your choice. Let's add it white. And also you have active or hover background color. When you will just hover your mouse over the background, a background color will change. So let us add a different background color while hovering. Okay, that's fine. So after completion of these all, now let's go to the sort code. Here you have a post grid ID 105. So let's copy this code by selecting. And now let's paste it on the pages because we have all the posts on our pages. So here in home I have all the posts. So let me edit it. So now I need to click on it and just enter it and just paste this over here. Now the code is pasted and so now you can update it. So let's refresh it by going to the home. Let's see whether it is in grid view or not. So you can view here, it is made in the grid view. Somehow the size is not arranged because some size of the feature photos are large and some content are not well managed. So you will manage it in a well manner so you can get in a grid view correctly. In this way you can easily make grid layout of your post. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel WP Hope. Thank you.